Hello! Today we're gonna create this bee or not a bee. How do you think? Er? Let's start with a cube, bevel it and subdivide. Then smooth and rename it as a body. Then we're adding eyes and to create the second eye will mirror the first one, and then we add nose, pose it and continue with eyes. Now let's create wings. And don't forget to rename all objects as they should be named. Then we create material for body and face. You can add any image and use colors from it. Now we add wave texture to create stripes on the body. And we create material for eyes, for eyeballs, and create material for pupil. And finally we create material for wings. Now the bee is ready and you can do everything what you want, even render it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Instagram and Twitch. Bye bye.